Hello everyone, and welcome to this new video of Dalinga from Flowbytes. So if you want to use your fields as a parameters to other fields, they have to be previous to them. They have to be in the beginning, just a declarative concept of a programming language. If you want to use a variable, you have to define it first, then use it. So what is wrong with this picture? You can see here that the gender is defined below the full name and photo, while the full name and photo, both fields are using the gender as a parameter to define or to generate the proper name for male or female, and to generate also the proper picture for male or female. But what is wrong with this picture is that the gender came after them. So in this video, we'll show you that this is a wrong concept and it has to be in the beginning. We will give you here gender, and then it's a random male and female. We'll give you a full name according to the gender. So the first name is gonna male name if it is male, otherwise female name, and then the last name is gonna be a male name. And the photo also is derived from the gender. That's why the gender is in the top. So if I take the gender here, or just take the full name on top and take the photo on top, what is going to happen? What is going to happen is the gender, the photo and the full name, they are derived from the gender, but you place the gender in the wrong place. You placed it after them. And it is just like a declarative concept in the programming languages. Sometimes you have to declare the variables before using them. So this is a variable. Now, gender is a variable. You are using it here, but you are using it before you define it. So if you run, this is going to run, but it's always going to give you a female name first. So it is Sandra, if you see Sandra, Karen, Leonida, Suzanne, Mary, and a photo of a woman. Why? Because gender is not equal to male. Gender here is a string. It's not variable. There is no variable on top of full name called gender. And there is no variable also on top of photo called gender. So it's always going to be false. It's going to give us the second one. The second one is a photo of woman. And the second one here is a photo of female name. So placing the fields in the right place is very important. So we have to place the gender on top. In this case, it's going to run okay. So you will see when the gender is male, it's a photo of a man, otherwise a photo of a woman, and also the name. Okay.